I smell like a...
Oh, thank you. Is that you? Do it again.
Smells,
Oh, yes, thank you.
smells like gas.
Okay.
They make the chair off.
Carl, this is going off on its own here.
Come on then, come back to the chair. Want to touch a bed again for this place? I've got a bag with the like gas.
Yeah.
Imagine that. Oh, rocking chair, Steve.
Rocking chair.
Yeah.
Has it just moved?
Lady eating. Not yet, but
Oh, okay.
you always say and listen to this one.
Yeah, yeah.
The fireplace, the first ever thing that came here, and we had the old fireplace. They put a mug on here and they were doing parties while the dogs came through.
Oh, yo.
Don't know.
Could be there, like, that woman could be in that.
I ain't touching it.
There's a woman knitting it, just there.
Yeah.
Oh, look.
Not in that particular chair.
K2's going off, guys.
That's why we got one because
Spirit, can you make the chair rock at the same time, please?
Can you come away from that teddy, please?
Is that switch?
Thank you. Oh, on command. Brilliant, that
Can
was
you make
it.
the rocking chair that particular chair?
K2's going off, guys.
that's why we got one because
Spirit, can you make the chair rock at the same time, please?
Can you come away from that teddy, please?
Is that switch?
Thank you. Oh, on command. Brilliant, that
Can
was
you make
it.
the rocking chair sway for us, please? You come in, please.
Can you come back to that teddy for us?
Go on,
To
make the
confirm it was you?
Is that rocking or what? What's that mean?
Can you come back to that teddy, please?
Could have been you. We've eaten voice.
I don't know.
Is that switched on?
No, it's not me. It's on me again, look.
Yeah, but you just switch it on, don't you?
No. I bent down to get another microphone.
Hang on.
yeah, and then that cover is not there.
That was you, Spirit. Can you come back, please? Help yourself, mate.
And that music will go off. We've had a rocking horse, rocking all sorts at the same time. All the shelves fell down that cupboard. We've got that on video. I'll take that later.
So what? So the stairs with the dolls, what's going on there?
Right, is a
The bloke called himself on top of the stairs?
yeah. The dolls have actually come from a man called Dan Litchfield. That Dan Litchfield is.
I don't know, dolls.
Well, Dan's got quite a big following, but that's 66,000. The lady from London had died, and her daughter, you know, she started acting. She said to
Yeah,
Dan,
favourite is just when we get to mine.
Dan can do quite a while.
There's a few, yeah. Oh, I'm still getting them out, you know.
She didn't want them back. So Dan had about 10 years in the bag, and I was talking to her on Facebook. Here they are. The one in there is not very nice. The one in
The window.
Yeah. Her name's
That one there.
Edna.
That one there.
Mhm.
Edna.
She's not very nice. She's a school teacher.
School teacher.
Yeah. She knocks all the dolls
The owner's
over.
pointing to the
Somebody
door with the
was
window.
listening to us about we got all the dolls out once.
And it's all this spiky. That might be me down close,
Yeah.
you know.
Put them back in the
No?
wrong order.
Is it gone?
We
Yeah, it's
come in the
gone.
next day and they all fell down. So I put them all back up. They all fell down.
Yeah, Robert, it's kicking off already, mate.
And then we looked at the photos in the wrong order. So we put them back in
Possibly.
the right order and never missed it. But she was lonesome as well. So she
Do you want
would knock them
to,
over.
hang on. Do you want to take us a tour around first?
Yeah, of course you can, yeah.
And
Yeah,
tell us
great.
what
Yeah,
goes on?
what's as well, yeah.
It didn't mean anything, but you know, if you ask it questions, it will swing. Why? I don't know.
Yeah, maybe about the lights.
Yeah,
Oh, the
quite
lights.
often It'll start off on its own, and usually we're on here for some reason. That mirror is originally from the house at the opposite end of the road, number 6, and it was a wardrobe that was given to my parents. It was
That's
fetched
the
to me
mirror she's
from an
talking
uncle.
about, guys.
The wardrobe's gone over the years, but the mirror's still there. So that's an original
Kelly,
mirror.
1 sugar, please.
Um,
Can't hear
Now,
the
this is
lady.
the
Oh.
entrance, this side. If you look from here,
Yes.
so you see where there was a wall. This used to be a
Partition.
this used to be a pantry.
Yeah.
So that was like the window. You do get a lot of spirits saying that they're in a cold, dark place. So we don't know if they mean they're in the pantry or locked under the stairs. 'Cause that obviously was a cupboard at one time.
Yep.
Yeah,
We have had little girls saying they're locked in there. Or it could be the pit underneath, which is obviously a cold, dark place.
Okay, Kelly,
There's a
Billy,
pit shop.
let us know.
The right train line goes across the end there.
I wouldn't have
And if
known
you go out
otherwise,
the front
thank
door,
you
you can see
very
3
much.
trees that were planted by Florence Nightingale, Scottish pines. Really big old trees. You can actually see them from the front door. And then the pit is at the back of here, the pit bank. As soon as you come out of mine, I've got a little garden and the pit bank starts. And at the back there's a pit that was, all that land used to belong to Florence Nightingale's father, William Nightingale.
So in here, so much in there, you reckon?
Yeah.
The lights wise.
That lights things like
The
so.
mirror might do something. Because it's up on my
That's an old, yeah.
Well,
No, set up with the.
You've got to be aware.
Yeah, no, everything else. There's a little boy that comes up here quite a lot in here. He's always in here, and his name's Robert.
Okay.
So, there's a little boy that comes up here quite a lot in here. He's always in here, and his name's Robert.
Okay.
So, but we don't know, but we do know there used to be a little boy that used to wave to people through the front window. We've been told by an old lady upstairs from that window. I'll show you when we get up there.
Okay.
Yeah, so we don't know if it's Robert because it was somebody with learning difficulties, and obviously Robert's like he comes across as being a child, but we think he's a lot older.
And he thinks we heard him speaking.
Yeah, he'll come through. Yeah, he'll come through. But he wants to play with toys and
He got toys.
like robots and things like. He does robots. He can't stand over, but he does robots. And I'll knock him if you say to him, if you're not the robot, Robert, I'll speak.
Got yours.
Robert, we'll tell you a story, and then yeah. We've actually got a picture of an orb, a video of an orb. It's saying if you unlock it over, Robert, we'll read you a story, and it actual orb hits it. The robot falls over, and the orb shoots straight up.
Thanks, Susie. Appreciate that.
That's good, man.
We've had some really good stuff. We've had a lot of stuff that's like it's going on, sort of thing. But
Picking up something. You're picking up something.
Neil, try it. It's supposed to be good, isn't it? Is there a proper witch's broom? No, it's under the stairs.
It's actually not a proper witch's broom, but somebody that the man that made it for me came from the New Forest, and they used to take the stuff to St Andrew's golf course, and the man there used to make them to the old way to suit the greens.
Yeah.
And he actually made it to say we made it for me, so it was an Halloween thing. But it was actually supposed to be how they were made, with broom and hazel and.
You get lost there by me. Not by me.
Upstairs, what's
Yeah,
still
we're
there?
upstairs.
That's it, we're on the way now.
Minutes, I can walk out.
That's where we're off to next. Dom, I'll leave my phone with you in case it rings.
Yeah. She's taking us upstairs, ain't she?
Yeah, this log's close. Yeah. What's his
All this stuff in here is things
Did I
that we
touch
found
it in the night
while
so
we've
let's swing it?
renovating the house.
They will pick the power up when it's
Only the last few days while we've dug all the front garden up, we found the axe and the horseshoe. And there's only one of a lot of people been in since we found this, and it came up murder weapon.
Oh.
Whether it is, it could just be coincidence, but it just seems a bit strange that we found that.
the garden?
The front garden, we're digging we've dug all the front garden out. Yeah, but all this is out there, all these photos and things shouldn't be in here. They're like, some of them came out at number 3, which is my grandmother's house.
Yeah.
That is a card that I sent to my brother when he was born, when I was 6 years old.
Yeah.
And at that time, that was a year before my mum and dad bought this house, that was 1965.
Mm-hmm.
So my mum never came in here, we never brought anything like this into here.
How did you get here then, eh?
No idea.
Mystery.
That I do expect to be in here, that's a photo of my dog. She died in here.
You said them days that you could get through. So,
yeah, so obviously the dog, yeah, she does come up now and again. If you feel a dog run past you, it's like a little Yorkshire Terrier. But all these came through from the third house. These all cards that, and it wasn't even sent here. If you read the addresses that it was sent to, like that one, I sent it from Stephen's Fairground at Uxbridge Road, Hayes, Middlesex.
It's a good date, isn't it?
1965. The year before my dad bought the house.
You guys send them in? You sent them to Mum?
I sent it to my grandmother at number 3.
And that's the first one, is it?
Yeah, and that one at Care Stevens Fairground at Eastleigh, Hampshire.
Because you know, these 3 bungalows, the whole section's off, so that's been blocked up. All of them got that. They can go upstairs in the attic and you could walk through the attics.
That's good, isn't it? Yeah.
It's all blocked off now.
Yeah, it's all blocked off now. You see, like this one, it was sent. It was all like this was strange. We was told to look for photos by a spirit talker, and a couple of them have actually come from behind the walls. Like that one with the dog, that was took in about 1982. That little Yorkshire Terrier. Why was it behind the walls? Why was it there? It was actually behind the plaster. And then there was things like cigarette cards and like where that photo was. The photo was with that. Now that's deteriorated, that's akin to that. Why didn't the photo deteriorate?
True.
paper.
paper, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
That was a
Well,
tin.
actually, sorry.
It's like a tin lid off a
So they're going
cake. What I don't know, some
to
sort of
give
box.
them roll these.
But why did that sort of not? That's gone to that state.
These
That
are
was
all
that,
things
yeah.
what's been found in the garden.
That would
guys.
have been the same age as the photo, 1960s. So yeah, there's a lot of things we don't understand. There's a lot of things that
Yeah.
we can't explain.
Thanks for showing us. Appreciate it. Thank
No,
you.
you're welcome. So, also all them bottles, all that stuff was all found as
Yeah.
we've dug with that.
Fascinating.
Dominic saved it first. Right, now look upstairs.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Oh, and that's another thing as well with this. Yeah. What's she doing on that? The doll's reading on the box.
Oh, is it?
Seriously.
No.
Don't touch it.
She was just a bit dodgy.
Yeah, it hangs on the box, look.
Really
You
well
bought before.
Well, there's yours.
Really?
She just noticed it, what's his hand doing on the box?
That's creepy, isn't it?
Yeah. So right, this used to be the door to go upstairs. You used to go through here.
Yeah.
This was blocked off.
Yeah.
And you used to go up there and go around. You get a lot of
So
stuff.
that's the front door originally.
Yeah, and you just came into a little square. And it,
What was that for, this window here for?
I did that stuff. I thought I was a builder. When I was about 19, I built a little brick barbecue. I bought out of Woolworths.
Oh,
And
yeah.
I've also done that. I thought I could build houses.
The kitchen cupboard
It
there.
was. and I actually built that, but I can't understand how I built the wall that well, that stayed that long. And I think my dad used to come in at night time, take away pieces of what I'd done, and rebuild it.
Yeah, well.
Because I can't imagine I built that.
Right,
Yeah,
I
it's
thought you
moved,
did.
yeah, you're getting some spikes, aren't you?
So,
Follow the leader.
right, off we go.
Yeah.
So yeah, so you might get
Is that
some.
Andy?
Keep an eye on that and now, guys, throughout the
Right,
night. 'Cause it's
that's,
moved since we've been here.
That's
The owner said it
that
doesn't
box,
normally have its
there
hand
was
on there.
a witch in it.
A witch in
It's,
it?
yeah, it's been opened somewhere else, not here.
Oh, brilliant.
When they opened it, there was a screen. She was kept in there. There's like, it's called a die-book box or debug box. Debug.
Debit box.
Debit box. Yeah, I can't pronounce it. And it was opened. Everything's been left in there as it was. You can open it, look in this one. There's nothing in there now, it's gone. But you do get a lot of activity around it.
Mm-hmm.
Obviously, a bird leaning on it as well. The bottom door, you get a lot of activity off. The rest, a
I
little
can't
bit.
remember that hand being on it since I've been here, but
That's about it. What happened? My dad blocked it up. We've actually took it down now, gone back to what my dad originally seen and blocked up.
Where was that though?
We don't know. We think
No,
it was
where your dad boxed you up?
all that bit, all the way across, we blocked it up.
There was an attic hole there.
We think the attic hole was originally there. Because what we've done, we've reframed it, that we've redone it.
Yeah.
So I want to bring it down, I want to make it
Looks like
lower.
you're going to lower the ceilings, isn't it?
Yeah, well, but it was even lower. It was down to that line there. Can you see where the bit of wood was?
Yeah.
It was down to there, we actually raised
What
it.
was that for, that hole?
We don't know. Don't know. When we put the ceiling down, that's how it was.
Have a chap on yourself here.
Yeah.
Did it?
Get a lot of
Someone
activity
owned
here.
this house because
Yeah.
you come up on gone here.
Did
You
it?
had the chap on yourself here.
oh, look.
You had the chap on
Oh, has it vanished off
What
now?
was he? Yeah, but he was the father of the two kids.
No, it was the train driver.
He was a train driver. He'll tell if you get talking to him, the train driver.
He'll teach you how
He'll
to
tell you
drive
about,
through
he'll teach you how to drive the train, like your dad.
Right, well, that's one in here. This is where the train driver used to talk to his brother.
Yeah, it's a good place. Lovely.
This used to be years and years ago. This used to be a big airing cupboard.
Yeah.
Because the hot water tank was here. And this was my brother's bedroom. And when we got a brother when he was 6, he used to talk to the train driver in the cupboard. And they used to come in here, because his mum and dad made a bedroom in here, they wouldn't stop it, we never did stop it, they used to come up here to talk to the train driver. So this was going to be the boys' room, that was going to be my room, and the bath was a tin bath that used to hang on the wall outside. But we never got. Yeah, so obviously now I've got a bathroom now, it's updated. But yeah, so this is where the wardrobe used to be. My brothers used to come in here and close the doors and close all the windows and come back the next day and everything was open. It was a game to them. And that's what used to happen to me. It's the only thing that's ever happened to me here. I'd come close all the windows and the front window used to be like 2 catches you had to pull down to lift them up. Yeah, to lift them up. Often used to go out, come back and all the windows would be open. I'd have to come in here and close all the windows again.
Anything else in it?
You'll find bits. There's bits and bobs that come. You always get somebody. We've had all sorts in there. That man that's not very nice. He comes up in here sometimes, or in that front bedroom. You get a lot of activity in there.
And there's a room there. What's that bathroom?
Right, that was that's the bathroom now. Before we made it a bathroom, people used to get a lot of activity in there, but now because it's a bathroom, people don't go in there. So if you get a chance, try it, because nobody's been in there for a long time. I think now they think, oh, it's a toilet, let's keep out that bit. But I mean, we had.
guys sleep around there?
But we had. We had some people here one night, and they put a doll in here, and the doll was going non-stop ring roses, would not stop, just kept going after one, after the other. And he was in the front, and there was a lot of orbs, a real lot of orbs. And he walked backwards out of because the woman said, walk backwards and call them towards you. If they are orbs, they follow you. So as he was walking backwards, as he got to there, ring the roses went all fall down. As it said all fall down, 6 pair of steps fell over in there. And they haven't got me now, they've gone. But they fell over and they'd been there for weeks, being up against the wall. And he actually said to me, he said, I've always wanted something like to happen now, I just have to shoot myself.
These other cottages here,
yeah.
They're nonsense.
No, I think they've all come here. I think
so they've got locks and even some of the doors?
Yeah, they've all come here. we
And have an active night then.
Right, if you make a cup of tea when you're downstairs, put it on the window. That window that's in between 2 rooms.
You mean that where the dog is?
Yeah. On there now, you'll see there's an empty mug. If you make a cup of tea and leave it, by the time you go, there'll be about that much of the tea gone. And it's my Aunt Nellie, she comes in here for a cup of tea. Number 3.
They're making biscuits, no?
No, she don't. She's just tea, no sugar. Strong tea, no sugar.
Do you make a drink?
Yeah, make a drink. The cup's empty now.
Well, then what do you mean?
We'll make one. I'll make one, and then yeah. The way it was, somebody here was had a Ouija board out, and the lad that was doing it, he turned around and I was here, and he said, "There's an old lady trying to make a cup of tea. She can't work the kettle." I went, "Oh, no." Then I knew straight away who it was, because she used to use the gas kettle, and put tea leaves and everything. And he said, he asked her, and he came straight back on the board. Yeah. So we made her a cup of tea, put it on the window.
What the old days they used to cook in the fire? They pour the water.
She had one then. No, she was modern. She had a gas stove. She had a can of gas stove. Just make us the best meat and potato pies.
It'll be hungry.
She made a really nice one once. It looked lovely, great big thing. We came back from London. We had a big long drive. Got back.
Did you get activity outside?
A man leaned on the back wall smoking a cigarette on the very, very back wall. You can't even really see it going. We had one open in the summer. We were all open the back garden up. We're getting through to it now, but you can't really see it. But it's 2 levels, and at the back there's a wall that runs across the back. And Oh, he's not arthritis repair. See that wall there? You'll see a man sometimes leaning against that wall or the shadow, and then you'll see cigarette smoke going up.
So
that back there, that's the pit.
Where's the railway line at the back?
That way, at the actual end of this road, and it starts up there. And
so we take beyond your garden?
That's the pit behind us, and the railway line's that way.
Okay, brilliant, thank you.
Is there anything left of the pit there?
Yeah, you can go up there and have a walk round.
In the daytime, could you?
Yeah, you can go up there. Now they have got up there, the security men, the people that own the pit don't like those something's going up there because they don't want you to have an occupation. But if you talk to the security man, they've got a video of we can hear men singing on the pit shaft. And they've got that on video, so they're not allowed to release it, but you've seen it.
And how did they get it then? Or did they record it? They don't know.
It was just recorded for the security man recording. While I was in a different area, they were recording that and it came up with men singing. But yeah, so there's something down there, and obviously that.
Now, when you meet, do you have a bangs in the rooms?
You do, yeah. You get bangs and things falling, sort of stuff. Yeah, we've had people grow arms and ears and air.
So we're looking through there.
We're looking through there for the transit, yeah.
So every room, except for the bathroom, you'll get one.
Yeah. Thank you.
They
appreciate it.
She said the bathroom needs to get stuck until they made it into a bathroom, then
yeah.
stop the kids over in there now.
Really?
Yeah, they're in them, yeah.
Okay.
But then again, the ghost hunters don't go in there anymore, so
No.
if you went in there and actually tried it, you might get something, but nobody tried it.
Yeah, well, come and watch camera so people can see me. Look. Hey.
Right, he's moved his hand now.
I've moved his hand now.
Yeah. Cole, he don't know yet though, does he? So he's going to think he's moved his hand again.
Can everybody see that?
Yeah,
You
yeah,
see?
yeah,
Just so people know. If that hand moves now,
yeah.
and he touches that box in any way, that doll's
Defo.
moved.
Definitely.
This chair's supposed to rock by itself.
Yeah.
Go on, Spirit, could you rock the chair for me, please? Come on. Okay. It's alright waving there.
Yeah, looks like it's waving.
See, it's flicking between the dolls, so he's mapping out all of them. Okay, step away for us, please. Step away. You come back and touch him again for us, please. Come on, Spirit, stop being afraid. Come out of the light. Use your nose and come towards the light. Come on, Spirit, yourself for us then, please. We'll walk through the doorway. Just heard the noise in that room as well. There's a bit went off. I seem like the light moving across the floor. The skateboard up there or what? Come on. See the koala's getting and Greta's getting wild now. Go on then.
Step away from me for a second.
Devil.
Careful.
I smell like a...
Oh, thank you. Is that you? Do it again.
Smells,
Oh, yes, thank you.
smells like gas.
Okay.
The electric chair off.
Carl, this is going off on its own here.
Go on then, come back to the chair.
You know what that cup it could be? It's, you know when you dig it,
Well,
you do untouchable.
that's just set off.
There.
There, yeah. Yeah, that's the man. Come forward and just. Oh, yeah, there you go.
Did he make the chair up at the same time, please, Billy?
That's interesting, isn't it?
Come on then, touch the bell again for us, please, if the male's present here. One more time to confirm it. Are you male?
Go to the chair and shake, make it rock, I'll show it.
It might be Charles, you know, from the HQ, for we know.
Now go on, shake it. The chair.
Charles, is that you?
Is that you from Matt's HQ? No. Is
Shake
it
the
the
chair,
gentleman who lives here? Is it the gentleman who lives here?
Train driver?
Is it the train driver?
If so, could you flash the bell for a yes? Say yes.
If you make the chair up, we'll go home. Go on.
Oh, I forgot it, yeah.
Go on, Spirit. Yeah, look.
Okay, step away from the counter, please.
If you make the chair up.
That's going to be
Please.
mad, that, isn't it?
Stop now. Look. All the way over.
I'm gonna rock the chair for us, please. Go on, rock it. I use your energy, use our energy to move the chair.
Maybe they're working. Oh. Hello?
For you guys.
I'll take you up.
But it's been some activity with that in you. Jack Hutchinson meeting says amazing guys. Thank you, mate.
Yes.
Look, it's happening.
Okay, it's me on the table. So.
Oh, Diane. I thought it's your lovely neighbour. I can see your face over the chair, top of the chair. I don't know. That's my next door neighbour says that I can see your face over the top of the chair. I'm not over that way. What do you mean here? Behind them two? I'm behind the camera. His face. Your face. I don't know. That was at 107 and it's 109 now.
That chap's done here.
I ain't been over there, have I?
You just went there, you just come here.
She says, I thought it's your lovely neighbour. I can see I can see a face over the top corner, chair corner.
Hey.
Yeah, must be you.
It's scary.
See a face on top of Cole's head.
Huh?
I can see a face over chair top corner.
He's dumped.
Over the chair top corner.
Probably auntie having a drink of coffee. You're also looking behind him. Why don't you have a look, mate?
Where?
Oh, yeah.
I can't see it clearer.
Did anybody notice this doll here with her arm up? I didn't notice that when I've been walking round. There's this one at the top here.
Yeah,
Got her arm.
hard up, there was all there.
Yeah, they got open, wouldn't they?
Just touch it, see if it went in. We'll come down the corner.
Yeah.
You've got the camera, right?
Yeah, I'll just back off a bit so I can get down the stairs. There you go. I've only just noticed that boy just standing here.
Well, the only person would know is the face.
Which one you want about to go?
The one up there, he's just touching there.
I don't think it moves, mate.
Don't it move?
I don't know.
These are dollars.
Oh.
What's the number?
I'm enforcing it because you
No. Charles. What's the blinking in? And we've moved in.
Okay, step away for us, please. Step away. Thank you. If you come back and touch him again for us, please.
That's 2.
Come on, touch him there.
Colin,
That's
it?
all that is.
Oh, hello.
Sorry. Have you heard the noise in that?
Yeah. Yeah, and the party up there.
You're a skateboard up there or what?
Can't get it.
Come on. There you go. the koala's going and the
Yeah.
bear's going wild now. Go on there.
You step away from it for a second. Look at that. Thank you. Come back now.
If you're a male spirit here with us now, light the bear back up, please.
Yeah. Charmaine said, told you it would come back. You're
Go on.
psychic.
Could you light the bear up if you're a male spirit here with us, watching us? Are you a child spirit here with us? If so, light the bear up. Come on then. How about the female spirit? The lady what sits in that chair? Are you in this room with us now? Watching us? Come on, please come forward. Come and interact with us tonight.
Come back to that bear what you've been touching.
I'll leave you down there by yourself and see what you get.
Better, wouldn't it? Better you do that, yeah.
That's what I mean.
Okay, on my own now. Is the gentleman still here? Jack Stick? Medium Jack? Sit in the chair here, try and read the comments. Alright, so if there's a spirit in here now, and you reach down and touch the bear, you know how he works now. I'm waiting for you now to do something. I'm on my own now. This is your chance to show yourself or make yourself known. If you're a good spirit, reach down and touch that bear with the arrow sticking up. Like you're not a good spirit then. Okay, if you're a bad spirit, reach down and touch the bear. I know that KT flashed when I said bad spirit. Are you evil? Do you mind us being here? Come and do something then. Come on. Is this a male who's in this room? If you're a male, touch the bear. If you're a gentleman, is there a gentleman in this room with me now? Touch one of the objects. Or are you a female? Are you a child? Come on. Touch the K2 if you're here still. Make the lights flash. Show me you're here. We've not go upstairs to Cole and Neil. They're upstairs. Come back to the bear on the step. Come on. There's a gentleman here. Come back to the bear. Oh, that's a good one. That was a good one. Oh, that's a good one. That was a good one. That was superb, that one was. Can you see that? Now, tell me what that is. Can you tell me what it is? No. That's better. Can you tell me what that is? What do you think that is?